Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. T, a tech trainer and career coach, and I help professionals transition to tech by leveraging their existing skills and abilities. Today, I'm talking to real estate agents. Now, what if I told you you could move from selling properties to shaping how AI is used in the real estate industry? In this video, we'll talk about how you can transition from real estate expert to AI governance leader and why the industry needs you. So we know that AI is transforming everything and every industry, and it's quite involved in the real estate industry, from property valuations to client screening. So with that induction of the tools into the industry, there's becoming more and more risk and a need for governance. And you bringing your understanding of the industry and the laws that go along with the industry to the effective reliability of tools would just make a great marriage. So let's walk through a couple of scenarios. So there's algorithmic bias and discrimination. Now we know that as of every year or at least biannually, you need to brush up on discrimination laws and take fair housing practice continuing education. You continuously building that skill and understanding of the law makes you a prime candidate for introducing practices and policies within AI that eliminate bias and discrimination. Because AI models are trained on historical data, and they can unintentionally reinforce bias, like denying loans or rental opportunities based on race, gender, or zip code. And as a real estate agent, you've seen firsthand how location and demographics intersect. Well, in governance, your insights could help design fairer and more inclusive systems. Then there's lack of transparency and explainability. So if you've ever had a client ask, well, why is this property priced this way? Now imagine that you're helping AI make better, clearer decisions and give an explanation for that decision. AI governance leaders ensure that AI systems are explainable and accountable, so consumers and real estate agents can trust the tech. Then there's data privacy and consent. We know that AI is being used in open houses and allowing interest into buildings for showings. So imagine all the data that a facial recognition system is collecting in virtual tours and how much behavior those systems are tracking. Remember, AI collects a lot of data, and you'd help the system owner or the system developer determine, well, who owns the data and who should own the data and who protects it. And you could also help your fellow real estate peers understand the value of client trust and ensure that there are governance built into the system that allows for you to become an ethical advocate for proper data usage. So you'd be that insider that could help reassure your peers, help them reassure their clients that the AI systems are responsible and trustworthy. Then there's regulatory uncertainty. We talked a bit about the fact that you are up on the latest real estate laws based on the continuing ed requirements within your district and where you practice. Well, these AI laws are evolving, and there's a need for practitioners to make certain that the systems comply with AI laws, but also comply with real estate laws. As the realtors are utilizing their tools, they need to still be adhering to those specific rules within the industry, no matter what tools they're using. So with AI laws evolving, real estate pros need to know what policies they need to follow from a practitioner perspective, but also how those tools are being used to stay within the law as it relates to any jurisdictional AI responsibilities. So you'd be the one helping to shape that policy and ensuring that the innovation doesn't outpace the other regulatory requirements and outpace any protections that it should have within it. So you could be that bridge between tech and compliance. Then there's over reliance on AI without human insight. We always talk on this channel about being the human in the loop. So AI can predict market trends, but it can't replace human intuition. And governance roles ensure that AI augments and not replaces human judgment. So you'd help balance the difference between what the tool should be doing, what the tool can do. So who better than a real estate agent to lead that balance? So how do you make the leap? One, start educating yourself about AI. Learn about ethics, learn about bias mitigation, and data privacy. And then, of course, leverage your experience. Your real world knowledge is golden. Use it. Use it to audit AI systems and advise on policy within your industry. Get certified. Look into any AI governance programs or partner with tech educators like us to build your credentials. As a realtor, you already navigate complex decisions, you build trust, and you advocate for your clients. So AI governance needs those exact skills. This wouldn't just be a career pivot, it'd be a chance for you to lead the future of ethical tech in real estate. So if you're ready to go from selling houses to now shaping algorithms, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. And let's build smarter, fairer systems for the real estate industry.